Hello, friend. Welcome to installment number 9 of my Awkward Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu journal. This episode is serving double duty because I'm also using this recording to test out the Backpack recording app using an iPad with my ATR 2100 microphone. It's not going to be super polished because I'm uploading it directly to publish to Libsyn so that I can see how that process works within the app. If you're not here for the podcasting piece, you have no idea what I just said. So let's get back to our regularly scheduled podcast. It's been a while since my last entry. Did you think I quit? No way. I still suck, but I'm making progress and having fun. And here's some exciting news. I got my first gi after Christmas. So thanks for the Christmas cash, Mom and Dad. Now I feel official. My goal in 2019 is to get to class 3 times a week. This past week was the first time that I made it to 3 classes, and it's incredible how much a difference attending just one more class has impacted my retention and growth. I went to my first women's only class at the gym down in Greenwood on Monday night, and it was really fun to get out and roll with some new people. And everyone was incredibly welcoming. And it was awesome to be in a class packed full of other women with a range of experience. And I had to miss my usual Tuesday morning class this week, so I went to the Wednesday evening class. And this class is co-ed, and it was packed. And it was nice to see some familiar faces from the other classes that I've attended. And this was my first class with Coach Daryl, and he was awesome. I will definitely be back for another Wednesday night class. And then I was back for class Thursday morning at 9 a.m. I was in the gym twice in less than 24 hours. I don't think that's happened since I was playing high school basketball. And what I loved about Thursday is that Coach was covering some of the same things that she did in the Monday night women's class. And having a second opportunity to drill those again really helps cement the movements and the angles. I'm still super slow, overthinking everything, and really easy to submit. But I have this little glimpse of growing confidence. And the majority of my growth this week has really come from my rolling partners. They have been encouraging and showing me things like how to make better grips, how to attack and defend a variety of positions. They all bring a different experience and are willing to share it with someone new. I think that they know that by helping me up-level my game, they will ultimately better their own because I'm going to get better and stronger. And we all get better when that happens. It's mind-blowing how much one additional hour on the mat has exponentially impacted my growth. Because an hour doesn't sound like that much over the course of a week. But for me, it's a 33% increase in practice and experience. And that is huge. Think about the compound interest on that over the course of a month, and then 6 months, and then a year. And it's got me thinking about where can I commit an additional hour a week that would boost my growth in other areas? What can you do for an additional hour that's going to help you grow in some aspect of your life? Tweet me at BrassyBroadGen and let me know. You can also connect with me on Instagram at BrassyBroadGen. That's it for entry number 9. Thanks for listening. Now get out of your comfort zone, out into the world, and do some good.